Yeah. When you get the key, go straight to the home.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new, and if you are new, what's up and welcome to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I construct this hair right here that I'm showing you right now. The picture you're getting, the video you're getting. I am going to show you how I created this wig basically from the bundles and the closure that I have. It's not as detailed as I want it to be. I'm just going to go ahead and put that out there. But you guys, if you really want to see me construct a wig like super duper detailed, let me know by commenting that below and I'll do that for you guys. I'll be happy to do it. I'm not a pro at creating wigs, so that's why I don't really put that on my channel like that. I prefer to just get the wig already made, but I do want to really get into making wigs, but that's besides the point. I just want to say yes, I'm excited for today's video and I hope you guys do enjoy it. I do want to say thank you to Motown Tress for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. I'm very excited for it, and yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this video and love you guys. Hey guys, okay, so the bundles that I got are from Motown Tress. They're 10A plus bundles. This is 100% unprocessed virgin Brazilian human hair. This hair can be dyed, bleached, and permed. So it comes in the inches 12, 14, and 16. I'm going to work from the back. As you can see, I'm also bleaching the knots of the closure. I'm going to use a dome cap to make my wig. Now, I'm going to start from the back with the longest, of course, so from 16, 14 to 12, and then the closure is 12 inches as well. So I'm going to tack down the closure. This is very ghetto what I'm doing, but it's okay because I don't have T-pins. So I used some whatever you call those type of pins, you know, to tack the closure down. Works just the same. It held it where I needed to hold it. But of course, I would like to get some T-pins eventually. But yeah, so I do bring the closure over the cap just a little bit. After watching some YouTube videos, I learned that. But I brought it over the cap just a little bit. And then I'm going to sew that down. But first, I'm going to start with the pieces of the unit. The weave. And I'm using glue. I'm not sewing this on the cap. I'm going to glue it on the cap because it's just a faster process instead of trying to sew each piece on. And, you know, this process just works really well, too. As long as you glue it down good enough, it doesn't move. The pieces don't come off. And let me let you guys know, I combed through this stuff and all that, and nothing, like, came apart or came off. Of course, if you wash it, it'll probably, you know, starting to loose up a little bit. But, you know, just be careful with that. But that's the way I constructed my wig. So I have the wig created. We have the lace closure already sewn to we have lace closure sewn to the front. Now I didn't of course tack down the front of it because we want that to pull over the wig cap just a little bit. You can ignore the inside of this cap. So I did use all 3 bundles. I had to place this on. This hair is extremely soft. Wow, this hair is super soft. So in the front with the lace closure, I did not tack it all the way down because what I'm going to do is pull the wig back just a little bit, and then we can pull it down right here on the sides, of course. And then when I'm ready to tack this down, all I have to do is just pull it forward a little bit and glue this front part down. So that way, it'll just be very, you know, secured how you would like it. I want to let you guys know that yes, right now I have this hair wavy, but I'm actually going to straighten it out because y'all know me, this is just way too big. However, do not get me wrong, this is beautiful in this color. This is beautiful in this style, but I just want to make it a little bit more flat and, you know, just styled how I would want it. So I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and come back with this straight. I have straightened out the wig. I didn't record myself straightening out the wig because I just think that's boring. y'all know how to straighten hair, but the whole purpose of this is for you to see exactly what it looks like straightened. So I haven't flattened out the wig or anything like that yet, but this hair straightens out so well, you guys. My hair down just to get it to lay a little flatter, as well as just to I wanted to secure the glue as well, so I went ahead and tied that down in the front. And then we also are going to put on another tie down cap on top of this, because I want the wig to just lie a little flatter, and if you tame it to make it lie down, it'll lie down just a little bit flatter. So I'm gonna go off camera, fix my makeup real quick, and do the finishing touches to the wig, and then I'll let you guys know exactly what I think of the hair. So be right. All right, y'all, we're getting somewhere. So I've gotten the hair pretty much laid down as good as it's gonna get from me right now, because you know your bitch is tired. But regardless, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do like some quick little baby hairs. All right, you guys, so now I am finally complete with the whole process of creating this unit. And let me just go ahead and say, I actually love this hair. It is so easy to work with. The closure is super duper easy to work with. Like, okay, so for one thing, the closure is free part. All right, so you can do whatever type of parting you would like to do with it. As you can see, I mean, I did bleach the knots of this closure. That's another thing, you can bleach this hair. Yeah, so I did bleach the knots, which it came out really well. I'm glad it didn't bleed out into the actual closure and, like, you know, turn the hair a little bit brown blonde. But as you can see, the parting is really nice. It's a pretty deep part, so it shows you about how far back this closure goes. It actually stops to back here, but you know, that's a pretty long that's a pretty long parting, okay? And all I did was just add a little bit of powder to it, and there it is, and it's visible. Now the hair. Okay, so I know you guys saw the hair comes curly, wavy. I'm not really sure what you want to call it. I'm still here for the curly hair. I am here for it because the way it looks is very beautiful. It's shiny, but it's not that type of shiny. But it has just like a really beautiful texture to it, color to it, and it's just really soft. But I just wanted to see how the hair was gonna do if I straightened it out, honestly, because straight hair is my jam. I love straight hair, but I just want to let you guys know this hair, it straightens so good. I literally could take my flat irons, my crappy flat irons, go over it like 1 or 2 times, and it came out as straight as this. Now imagine if I like really took my time in straightening this out. This will be like bone straight, okay? I did use all 3 bundles and the closure, and that's why it's looking pretty full. I feel like I might take a few pieces out just because it is pretty full and thick, but I mean, I like the thick and full look. So I think after I wear this hair for so long, I'll probably end up cutting it, like making it into a bob, because I feel like with how thick it is up at the top, this will be really cute in like bob form. Like, y'all get the vibes I'm coming with like this? Like, I feel like this will be really cute. But I'm here for this link too, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see what the back of it looks like. Do not judge the straightening of it, because I kind of got it wet. I laid the wig down when I took it off, and it got water on it, and I didn't go all over it and straighten it like I should, so it started waving back up. So I just want you guys to know, like, if it's not straight, that's why. So as you can see, it has lots and lots of body, even with me putting the products that I put on it, with me bleaching the knots, putting my little moisturizing stick on it. It has some products in it, and it's still holding up really good. I feel like this is going to be like a everyday type of wig. Like, this is something that I could wear every day. This is an everyday style, everyday color. It's just a really nice unit, y'all. It's a really nice hair. Let me put it that way. Since it didn't come in a unit, I actually made it into a unit. But you guys definitely comment below and let me know what you guys think of it, because I'm here for it. I haven't had like some hair in a minute. Usually the hair that I'm wearing, it usually just already comes in a wig form, and I just made this one into a wig. So I'm pretty proud of myself for me to not have too much, you know, experience in creating wigs. I feel like I did pretty good. And the more you do it, the better it's gonna come out, you know what I'm saying? I do want to say thank you to Motown Tress for sending me this hair. I really love this hair, and I can't wait to actually color it. That's another thing, y'all. I am gonna come at you. I am gonna come at you with some color for this unit, okay? Because it can be bleached. So I am going to bleach this hair, and I have a feeling it's going to take really good. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video when I bleach the hair and color it, because I am ready. I don't know what color I'm going to do, but if you guys have any suggestions on what color I should do the hair, let me know by commenting below, okay? If you have any questions or any comments, any suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.